Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add code to TradingView. First, navigate to the TradingView platform and locate the Pine Editor panel, usually found at the bottom of your screen. This is your primary workspace for all coding activities. Familiarize yourself with its layout, including the code input area and various menu options. This initial step ensures you are ready to begin integrating custom scripts into your charting experience. Once the Pine editor is open, you have two main options for adding code. You can either write your own Pine script from scratch, leveraging your programming knowledge, or you can paste pre-written code. Many traders find useful scripts online or from communities. TradingView also offers helpful templates to kickstart your coding, providing a solid foundation for various indicators and strategies. After your code is written or pasted into the Pine editor, the next crucial step is to apply it to your chart. Simply click the Add to Chart button, typically found at the top right of the Pine editor panel. Your custom indicator or strategy will then overlay directly onto your selected asset's chart. Take a moment to confirm that the script is running correctly and displaying the expected visual output. After adding your code, you can often customize its parameters. Access the indicator's settings by clicking the gear icon next to its name on the chart. Here, you can modify inputs like lengths, sources, or colors to fine-tune its behavior. Don't forget to save your script using the Save button in the Pine editor, ensuring you can easily reuse it later. Also, for more great deals and information, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.